Axis is inclined at 45 degree to the VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projection. First of all, guys, please tell me which type of plane. Which type of plane?
Cone.
Cone. Okay. This is the base of plane. After that, true shape, how to draw? Pyramid, prism. Which type you have to draw? True shape. Cone like this. Which one? This is the cone. And upper part of this cone? Pyramid or prism? It's pyramid or prism?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Means first of all, you have to draw one circle which is a diameter. They are given here 50 mm. Means radius is
25 mm.
25 mm. And where you have to draw your plane, above XY line or below XY line? Base circle in the VP means
above, ma'am. VP.
above XY line. Means first of all, you have to draw one reference line like this. Give the name as X and Y. After that, by using your scale and compass, take 25 mm as a radius like this. And draw one circle here like this. Draw one vertical line, center line, and draw one horizontal line, center line, and divide into 12 number of equal parts. Take this as a center and draw one arc, 25 mm as a radius. This as a center and draw one arc like this, upward side and downward side, 25 mm as a radius. This point as a center and draw one arc, and radius is same, 25 mm. Similar procedure from this side also.
Ma'am, is there is any rule to draw 12 equal parts, or we can draw 8 equal parts too?
No. It's a rule. When they are asked you cone problem, circle problem, you have to draw 12 number of equal parts. Okay, and give the naming A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, I dash, J dash, K dash, L dash, and L dash. Okay. This is a 12 number of equal parts. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, draw projection from each and every point to downward side like this by using your scale, guys. Like this, you have to draw each and every projections. Okay, you got one base point here like this. Give the naming as A, and this is G, and this one as a center O. Draw one center line here, which is the height is
70 mm.
70 mm. By using your scale, from this point, take 70 mm distance and mark here your origin point, means O point, like this, O. And join this point by using your scale, A to O, like this, and G to O. Similarly, all these points join this O point, this point, by using your scale like this. Join all point here. Okay, this point is clear,
Yes, ma'am.
and give the naming respectively B comma L, C comma K, D comma J, E comma I, F comma H, and this one G. This point is clear how to draw cone, first part.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, they are given second condition such that the axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Means from this XY line, anywhere take one point, this point, this is a base point. Consider this as a base point, G to O, which is a length is, this length is how much?
75.
70 mm.
70 mm. Just this is rough diagram, guys. Take 70 mm, draw this line here. This is O and G line. Up to this point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, they are given, guys, listen carefully. They are mentioned axis is inclined at 45 degree. Not only incline at 45 degree to VP. They are mentioned particularly axis incline at 45 degree. Means whenever they are asked you axis is inclined at 45 degree. Who is this? When they are asked you axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP, means you have to minus this angle to 90 degree. 90 minus 45 degree equal to 45 degree. You got your base angle. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If they are asked you only such that the line is inclined at 45 degree to VP, means you have to take as it is angle.
Okay, ma'am.
When they are asked you axis inclined to VP, means you have to minus 90 degree minus 45 degree. You got your base angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, by using your protractor, keep like this and take 45 degree angle here. 45 degree angle. By using your scale, just join this point like this. Okay. Which is a length is exactly equal to this length. This length. Okay. Means how much? How much?
50, ma'am.
50. Just take 50 and take like this. Means your length is accurate. 50. From this point, mark one point. Okay. After that, similarly, mark this point, measure this point and draw one. Measure this point and mark this. Measure this one and mark this one. After that, this one is a center line. Just join this center line here first of all by using your scale. Center line means like this. Okay. After that, measure this length. How much? Like this, and mark this one. After that, by using your scale, just join this line like this. This point is clear?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
point, okay. And give the naming respectively. This is a G, means this one F and H. This one I comma E. This one G, and this one A, and this one 0. And sorry, this one 0 and this one A. And after that, B comma L, C comma K, like this. Okay, this point is clear. After that, draw one projection from each and every point like this. Here also. Similarly, from this circle also, draw each and every point from this circle. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay. You got one point here, like this, where A, from this point A, where G, from this point G, and from this point K, and this one L, this one J, this one H, and one more thing, this one point. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes, ma'am.
draw respectively points, okay, and join this
Same like yesterday, na ma'am.
yesterday, like this. Join like this and draw joining like this. Similarly, draw each and every projections. Okay, this point is clear. Your final diagram
Ma'am.
look like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is your third module, sixth question answer. I will send you fair notes, but it's look like this. This problem is
Okay,
clear.
ma'am.
How to draw this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then guys, we are starting from here. Second module questions, and I know first module 2 question is remain. I will explain you tomorrow's class, but we need to start here second module question bank problem. Where it is. Ayyo. Okay. This is module 2, first question. Guys, it's very simple question. A point P is 50 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Another point Q is 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm HP below HP. Draw P and Q projections so that the distance between A and the projector is 90 mm. Assume the position of points in substable quadrants and draw the straight line joining top view and front view. Guys, it's very simple problem which is based on projection of line. Which type of problem? Projection of point, projection of line, projection of plane.
Projection of point.
Point, ma'am. Point.
Okay, then what should I do now first here? It's very simple problem. First of all, draw one XY line like this, X and Y. After that, what they are mentioned here?
15 mm above HP.
Okay.
20 mm in front VP.
Okay. 15 mm above HP and 20 mm
In front VP.
In front VP.
And mark this point as a P. P
Dash, ma'am.
dash. And here P, only P.
P only, ma'am.
P dash means what, guys? Which type of view?
Front view.
Okay, and P means top view.
Top view.
Okay, this point is clear. Okay. After that, here they are mentioned end projector distance in between P and Q. In between distance, they are mentioned 90 mm. Means from this point, take 90 mm distance by using your scale. This distance is 90 mm. And from this point, Q point, 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm below HP. Means how to draw?
Behind the VP, front view.
Okay.
Above the reference line.
Okay.
Below HP, top.
25 mm, ma'am.
Okay, and this point is Q.
Q dash.
Is it correct?
Q map.
Q. Please check the notes. It's
Q.
a top view. Okay. And from this
Okay, ma'am.
next point, 40 mm below HP means from this
Towards
point
downward, ma'am.
40 mm and it's represented Q
Q dash.
Q dash.
means front
Front
view.
view.
This is your answer of first question. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Next question, second question. Draw the projections of the following points on a common reference line XY, maintaining substantial distance between them, and also mention the quadrant they are in. Number 1, A point 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Means first of all, common reference line. Means first of all, draw one reference line like this. If the naming as X and Y. What they are ask you? First question. Guys, please tell me which type of quadrant A point 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Okay. After that, how to draw this? 30 mm above HP means
Above 30,
30
ma'am. A
mm.
dash.
Above reference line.
okay, like this. This is a 30
Yeah, ma'am.
mm. And from this point is A
Dash.
dash and
Dash.
give the naming front view. After that, what they are ask you? 40 mm
40
in front
40
of
mm
it.
in front.
Means here,
Downward, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Where
Below
the-
reference line.
Below
ah,
reference, ma'am.
here, like this.
Yeah,
How
ma'am.
much?
Yes.
40 mm. And the
40
name
mm.
is A and top
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 view.
view.
And quadrant, you have to draw like this, first quadrant. Okay? Mention like this, first quadrant.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After that, second point, what they are ask you? A point B. A point B, 20 mm below HP and 40 mm behind VP. Guys, please tell me which type of quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Is it right? Please check the answer. Please check your notes and do it fast. 20 mm below HP and 40 mm behind VP means which type of quadrant?
Third quadrant, ma'am.
Okay, third quadrant. Then tell me 20 mm below HP means where you have to draw?
Below the reference line.
What?
20 mm.
No. Please check your notes and tell me which type of quadrant. Check your notes. I'm also checking. Below HP and behind VP, which type of quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant, ma'am.
Fourth one. Third quadrant, ma'am.
Below HP, behind VP.
Third quadrant,
Third
ma'am.
quadrant. Third quadrant, ma'am.
Okay. Then how to draw? Please tell me.
20 mm below reference line. 40 mm above reference.
No, guys, it's wrong.
Why, ma'am?
Ma'am wants to show the question.
Look, we are already solved this type of question in your previous classes. A point A is 40 mm below HP and 50 mm behind VP. Draw its projection. Am I right or wrong? Please check your notes. We already solved this type of problem. Just change the value here. They are mentioned here 20 mm below HP and 40 mm behind VP.
Ma'am, I
Just
said the correct one. 20 mm below reference line. 40 mm above reference line.
Okay. 40 mm. Okay. 20 mm below reference line means which type of view?
Front view.
Front view, ma'am.
Okay. And from this point 40 mm. Which
Top
type
view,
of view
Top view.
and which type of quadrant?
Third, ma'am.
Third quadrant.
Okay. The next question. A point D 15 mm 15 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP means which type of quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Okay. Then
Second,
your
ma'am.
diagram 15
15
mm.
mm above reference line.
Above reference line.
And give the naming as a D. D
D
D
dash.
dash.
means front view.
Front view.
And below reference line 40
Ma'am, above
mm.
reference line, ma'am.
Above reference line only, ma'am.
Above reference line only, ma'am. 40 mm.
Okay. Means from this point 40 or from this point 40.
From reference line 40.
Okay. This point 40 means this one D.
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 D only,
Top
ma'am.
view.
D top view. And this distance is 40
40.
mm. Okay. Next, what they are asked you here? A point E 30 mm below HP and 50 mm behind VP. Tell me which type of
Third
quadrant?
quadrant.
Okay. Then 30 mm.
Below HP.
E.
50 mm.
Please tell me E dash or E.
E dash, ma'am.
ma'am. Downward. E dash.
And upward side top view.
E. Yes, ma'am. Top view.
Next, what they are asked you next? A point F 60 mm below HP and 24 mm in front of VP means which type of quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Tell me.
60 mm below.
It
It is F dash.
F dash means
Front view.
Front view.
after that 24 mm in front of VP means
Below the
Extend that
reference
line,
line.
ma'am.
from this point.
Same. Extend the line. Yes, ma'am.
From reference line.
From reference line, ma'am. From downward.
24. This is
F.
F
Top
Top
view.
view.
top view. Okay. What they are asked you next? A point C lies on HP and VP means
On the reference line.
On the
Ah.
reference line, ma'am.
here
On the
No, ma'am.
reference line. XY line,
On the
ma'am.
reference line.
like this. This is C dash and C. And this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
origin point. This point is very important. Both are lies in HP and VP means front view and top view lies in this XY line. You have to draw like this C dash and C and here mark as a O point, origin point. Okay. This point
Okay,
is
ma'am.
clear.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then we are going for next third problem. What is the third problem? Here. The end projectors of line AB are 50 mm apart. The end point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The end point B is 80 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. Determine true length and true inclination with HP and VP. Okay. Question is clear? Then tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what should I do now here first? Draw one reference line like this. X and Y. What they are asked you here? The end point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Means from this point 20 mm distance and give the naming as A dash and 30 mm in front of VP means downward side take 30 mm distance and give the naming as A. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And they are given the end point B is 80 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. Means from this point, by using your scale like this, take 80 mm distance from here like this. This is a 80 mm distance, and similarly downward side take 70 mm distance. Okay, 70 mm distance. By using your
Okay,
scale,
ma'am.
just join this distance A dash to this one. Just join this distance by using your scale like this or like this. Give the naming as B dash and this one B. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what they are asked you, measure the true length and measure its true inclination angle. Means this point measure, this is theta, above HP means theta angle, HP angle theta, and phi angle means VP angle. Like this one is a VP angle. By using your scale, just measure this length. This is nothing but your true length of front view. It's showing 75 mm and it's also same 75 mm. Okay, and you have to
Okay,
write
ma'am.
like this, true length is 75 mm. After they are
मैम
asked
ट्रू
you-
लेंथ कितना भी ले सकते हैं ना मैम?
no, they are mentioned 80 mm from HP and 70 mm in front of VP. From this point you have to take like this.
हाँ मैम,
80 mm.
रेफरेंस में वो पॉइंट कहाँ पे भी ले सकते हैं ना मैम?
No, it's ending point na.
हाँ, not that one मैम. In reference point we will draw 80 mm towards Sapna मैम. That point we can take from anywhere na?
Yeah, because they are not mentioned in between distance. No.
Yeah
They are
ma'am, that's what.
mentioned- No,
Ma'am,
those-
that mention 55 mm.
Yeah. They are mentioned 50 mm apart.
Harsha on fire.
Means this point take 50 mm distance,
Okay ma'am.
and from this take 80 mm. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. I forgot to take this distance. And by using your protractor, just measure this angle, theta angle, like this. It's showing 53. And downward side angle, keep like this and measure this angle. It's showing 40 degree, and write like this, 53 degree, and this one 40 degree. This part is clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. After that, fourth question. What is the fourth question? A 70 mm long line PQ has its end, means they are given true length. Point P 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined at 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection of line. Then what should I do now here first of all? Please tell me guys. Draw one reference line like this. Give the naming as X and Y. Next, they are mentioned P point 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Means anywhere take 20 mm distance and mark this distance as a P.
P dash ma'am.
Okay. And in front of VP, they are mentioned 30 mm.
30 mm.
This is a P.
P.
Okay. After that, the line is inclined at 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. Means 45 degree which angle? Theta angle, phi angle, alpha angle, beta angle.
Theta.
Theta
angle.
ma'am.
And 30 degree, which type of angle? Alpha
Phi
angle,
angle, ma'am.
beta angle. Okay, phi angle. By using your protractor, keep like this and take 45 degree angle. This is nothing but your theta angle. Just take 45 degree angle. Similar procedure from this side, take 30 degree angle like this. By using your scale,
Ma'am, there is no use of draw parallel lines to the reference line.
first take 70 mm distance like this, and P dash as a center. Just draw one arc here. P as a center. Just draw one arc here like this. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am. True length
True length. They are mentioned
Yeah, ma'am.
70 mm.
70 mm.
And here also they are mentioned 45-degree angle, means theta angle.
Theta angle.
And here also mentioned 30-degree
Phi
angle,
angle.
and this one 70 mm. Okay, just join this point like this and dark this line, because this is P dash and this one Q dash. Similarly, join this line like this. This is P and this one Q. This point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your question and this is your answer. This point clear? Fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then we are going for next problem, fifth problem. A line AB of 70 mm long has its end A 10 mm above HP, 15 mm in front of VP. Its front view and top view measure 50 and 60 respectively. Draw the projections of a line and determine its true inclination with HP and VP. Then what should I do now here first? First of all, draw one line here, projection, XY line, X and Y. What they are mentioned, true length, they are given 70 mm long line, and A point 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Means from this point, take 10 mm distance and give the naming as A,
A dash.
A dash.
and below side they are given 15 mm and give the naming as a B. This is the top view and this one is a front view. After that, they are